Hello and welcome to Cooking Time. Today I'm going to show you how to make some gourmet breaded chicken goujons and french fries. We're going to start with the chicken goujons. Right, so what you'll want to do is open the packet of goujons. And then you'll want to get your baking tray. I will be using this one. And what you'll want to do is take 3 chicken goujons, like so, and put them in your cooking tray, your baking tray, whatever this is called. Your tray for the oven. Oven tray! We're going to leave this for the moment and we're going to put this in a resealable bag to make sure that they don't go off. So just pick this up, put it in your bag. Other freezer bags are available. Zip it up and then put this in the fridge. Make sure to put your trash in the bin. Right, so now what you're going to want to do is you're going to put your chicken goujons, just make sure they're spread out, into your oven. I'm using this, which is a halogen oven. You can use your normal oven. This just makes it a bit crispier in my opinion. You're going to want to put the oven on at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. Right, so for the chips, all we have to do is put them in the microwave for 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Put it in the microwave. Which way is it? For 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Now we wait. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes now, so we can take this off, turn this off, and we're going to and we're going to leave them to sit while the chips finish cooking. I mean, being heated up by the microwave. So now we can just admire the crispiness. Hang on, let's let you have a look. Look, oh, look. Do you see the crispy? Can you hear the sizzle of the goodness of the chicken? Well, actually, what we can do is we can go get a plate. There is just one thing I forgot, and that's a little bit of green. So let's just put this here, and this, and this. Just make sure this is all flat here. Okay. And now we shall use these food pliers, I think, and we're going to just take this, place it in the middle, like so, like that, and that's the beginning. So we're going to bring it over to our chips now. So now we just have to add our chips. Look a little something like this and this, and then we're going to add just a little bit of something to dip. This is the best garlic dip I've ever tried. It tastes just like the stuff from the restaurants and it's just great. So shake it up a bit and open it, and then just like that, you have some gourmet chicken goujons. Thank you for watching, and we might do another one of these next week, or maybe not. Who knows? See you later.